Go.
Where do I go?
Around.
Tina, quit it. Yeah. Okay. Ear? Ow! I hurt my elbow. Look at it. Okay, there's some of you already. My turn to attack you. Tina, please.
That's gross, Rebecca.
Yes. Want to be an elephant?
Do I want to be an elephant? Go sit on that.
What's that on my?
The pole. Do it.
That's on my butt.
Do it. You like things in your butt, don't you? Turn around. Ow!
What?
Ah! Too close.
It's perfect size for you.
Wait, let me zoom in on that.
Ew, a stick in my lip?
That's your lift now. Go hide in the tree.
No. Come closer. We should take back and come play. I'm gonna call him and see if he can come into his backyard.
That's really scary.
I know. Oh, I just was mugging. It's like awesome float. There's the name of Magborn. I meant to say.
Off Magborn?
Magborn, but they call it off Magborn. Stop it. I didn't almost fall.
Oh, I missed it.
Ew, nasty.
Dude, that's sick. Why are you listening?
Get it out.
See, she wipes it on the pole. Where is it?
Hold on.
Major cleavage, dude.
No, none for you. You. It's everywhere. Hold on, don't record me while I spin.
Okay.
Don't record me when I'm done. Don't record me, promise?
Promise.
No,
Just do it.
no, I don't want to spin while you're recording me.
It's not like it's going on YouTube.
That's what you said last time.
No, I said it was going on YouTube. Ew. Spin.
Can you record yourself while I spin? Talk to me.
Hi, Rebecca.
You just stop it! Please!
I'll record over here.
Where?
Yeah. That's a brick right there. Wait, let me zoom into it more. That's a fucking brick, dude. You done?
Okay, stop it, please! Ow! Don't hurt me!
Okay,
The world
stop.
is spinning. My new shirt! The world is spinning! Stop it!
I think she's drunk, dude. Look at her back.
Oh, there's thorns in me.
That sounds dirty.
You're still recording.
Of course I'm not. Oh shit.
You're going down. Oh, my phone is ringing. Oops, who's this? Oh, Jordan called. Stop it, Tina.
Rebecca loves ice cream. Oh, that's my doggy.
Hi.
Get that off my wall.
Tina, stop it, please. What are you doing? Tina! You're what? Playing with gum? That's nice. Tina, you should seriously stop now.
It's only at 6 minutes.
Forever.
It's only at 6 minutes.